Efendim merhaba.
Merhaba,
Sizi tanıyabilir miyiz?
adım İsmail Bayram.
İsmail Bey, Kaçkar Dağları'nda pansiyonculuk yapıyorsunuz. Neler söyleyeceksiniz efendim?
Evet, yaz ve kış aylarında pansiyonculuk yapıyoruz. Şu anda kış sezonumuz başladı. Türkiye'nin diğer taraflarında ve Avrupa'da kar olmadığı için şu anda normalde bizim Şubat başından itibaren başlardı. Ama diğer taraflarda kar olmadığı için şimdiden faaliyetlere başladık. İsviçre'den 2 misafirimiz vardı. 9 gün boyunca Kaçkarların eteklerinde kayak yaptılar.
Başla.
Hi, what is your name?
My name is Jonas,
Where are you from?
Switzerland.
Switzerland. Why you are here?
You're here for skiing. We are just back from 7 days of great skiing in the Kaçkar mountains. Actually, ski touring, not skiing, ski touring. So walking up the mountain and skiing down.
Okay. How is Kaçkar now?
Beautiful. There's a lot of snow. More, I think there's the most of snow around the Black Sea. And so we had great snow for skiing and enough as well. And especially we could stay up in the mountain in Kaçkar pension. This was high enough for us to have a good base for going up to the mountain.
Okay. And you think now snow is better or you need a little bit must?
Actually, it's now very good, but of course, as more snow, as better for ski touring. So I
Okay.
think, but there is snowfall, I guess, in next week. But it's already right now. It's very good. We had
Gelmek isteyenlere-
excellent days.
What you think about you can recommend Kaçkar Mountain for ski touring for other operation?
Definitely, I think it's even better than the Alps in Switzerland, to be honest, because you have so many opportunities. The slopes are perfect for ski touring, and a lot of summits who are high enough for good ski touring. So I would recommend to my friends for sure. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Tamam. Başla abi.
Okay. Hi.
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Manuela.
Manuela. Manuela, where are you from?
I'm from Switzerland.
Switzerland. Why you are here?
I've been ski touring for the last 10 days in the Kaçkar Mountains.
Okay. How is Kaçkar?
Oh, it's very beautiful.
Very beautiful. What do you think about snow in other place, in Alp, in Georgia, in other place in Turkey? How is snow is Kaçkar?
Yes, so I've been to many places before in Georgia, Turkey. I've been skiing also in Switzerland, of course. And I was very surprised about the snow here in Turkey. It's very nice. There is a lot of snow. There is even more snow than in Georgia. We didn't expect that actually. And the mountains are very exciting. They are high. They are also a little bit steep. But together with the snow conditions, we were just surprised how beautiful this region is.
Okay. What you recommend for other sportmen, other ski touring? What you recommend?
So I would recommend them to just come to the Kaçkar Mountains to see this beauty by themselves and to just try to get into this very beautiful region to explore.
Thank you.
You're welcome.